Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. First up we have this copper colored hair change. I love the way that her curls looks with this color. Now it does have a lighter copper variation going there in the top and then moving into a darker version towards the base. So pretty. And then we have another copper inspired style. So it looks like she's going to be getting a bob with bangs for this one. So yeah, this style does feature that money piece highlight trend. And I love it when they do this with a different color. So that purple is, that orange is just so pretty. Sorry, I was distracted by this stylist nails. I absolutely love the black with the gems. So pretty. So she mixes in some color. Ooh, spot on. Oh, that came out amazing. Color is perfection. Very nice. So then we move on to the next one. Now this one features a lavender hair color change and a wolf cut. So we know that the wolf cut has managed to trend heavily because of TikTok. So there is the color inspiration. Ooh, so pretty. Now to me, you could barely tell that the color, like it looked like she went much darker with more like a maroon, but very cute haircut. And then next up we have someone dyeing their wig. Now this is a great way for stylists to experiment with color. And if you yourself wanted to change up your hairstyle with some color, but you didn't want to risk damaging it, getting a colored wig or colored hair extensions would be a great way to try out the trend. She did kind of like a rainbow inspired color. Ooh, oh, I love it. The color range is just unreal. So beautiful, especially paired with the black lip. Oh, this is such a pretty look. So we have a nice cut refresh here. Looks like he's doing more of like a mini bob haircut. Oh, so chic and beautiful. I love the fullness that this has. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.